We wanna make the type of music you could bop to, something you could roll with, something you could rock to. Knowing when that beat drops, then your body drops too. This that fresh new, let loose, who can stop you? Nobody. Go ahead and move your whole body. If you're looking for the lottie-dottie, then we so got it. Hot and naughty, go and play it again. Baseline on Sublime, climbing rhyme to the wind. Can let me begin. Tell me, can you vibe with this? Feeling dead, we can make you come alive with this. You'll survive with this, jump slide with this. Windows roll down, you can ride with this. No lie, that's it, yeah, we done. Who am I kidding, we have just begun. How could we stop when we steady headed to the top? We about to pop up the west like a bubble dock. I need my medicine, I think I'm on adrenaline. Cause I'm passing on full speed, the speed is setting in. I'm going crazy, feeling good with this today. Forget the mile, get a wild with this one, Jay.
We come to hit you with that la-di-da, la-di-da-di-da-di, la-di-da-di. Everybody gonna rock your body. Feel the rhythm when you rock your body. La 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 la.
One simple question, tell me, have you heard this type of thing? The kind of sound that when you hear it, it just bites your brain. Hold on so long to this, a song will gonna ignite your veins. And looking at us, you might think musician is a mighty strange description of two kids who live the biz to upper west. Sorry if we make the hits that split your wigs and bumps your chest. Why should I apologize? Well, really, that's our main intention. Create the greatest and the latest, so that when you mention the newest upper W is at the top of the listing. We kinda different, so your mission is to stop and listen. We really can't be put into specific genres, just terrific rhymers who make music that bite like piranhas. We straight up on you, look behind you, there it is again. There's something indescribable across your long skin. People saving your back while you sing to the tracks and smack up on your chin. Leave you black and bruised until you use the types of songs we're in the middle of soul and funk, that'll put a little hole in trunks. We drunk and bumpy, then we trumpy. See, I told you once, so that should be enough. Just trust it and know we're new to this. We bring that back, just spin that track so they can groove to this.
We come to hit you with that la-di-da, la-di-da-di-da-di, la-di-da-di. Everybody gonna rock your body. Feel the rhythm when you rock your body. La 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 la.